All right, welcome back, YouTube family. It's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch. Tonight we are adjusting Xiomara. I'm super blessed. I get to, be the chiropractor for so many awesome, amazing people. So, tell us. I remember when you first came in. Give us like the rundown. What was going on?
So a couple years ago, I got into 2 really bad accidents. It caused me to have some mild scoliosis. Because I didn't do anything about that, I actually pursued to be a nail technician. And because of like sitting down so much, my back was so like hunched. It wasn't doing anything and doing good for it. So because of that, my back has got like a little like more hunched over. My shoulders were like inward, especially my left shoulder. But yeah, it was very painful when I first came here, but he has definitely improved my back.
Oh, I'm honored. You've done a great job. I mean, she's young and in great physical shape, but she had the trauma, but then it was just regular life stuff. She's going to work, and God bless her, she has a full-time job and she's working, but and school, and the pain is just
It's unbearable.
Yeah, it was unbearable. I remember her first time here. It was pretty intense. So, but thankfully now she comes more just to stay well, and periodically every 2 to 3 weeks, maybe once a month, comes in, stays in great shape, and that's really like the coolest part.
Oh, yeah.
So how are you feeling tonight?
Tonight, I am feeling pretty good.
Wonderful.
Although even though I just came from work, my shoulder is like a little tight, but we get it.
Oh yeah. Awesome. All right, cool. Well, hop on facing down, please. Love your hair. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. So grandma's in town?
Yes, she just came from Puerto Rico not that long ago. I would say 2 weeks ago. She also came with my cousin and my little cousin, but they're leaving tomorrow, unfortunately.
Oh man. How old are your cousins?
So my one cousin, I'm pretty sure she's about 30, and
okay.
my baby cousin, which is her son, I think he's about like 7 years old now. Yeah.
Oh wow. Awesome. Yeah, when you said cousin, I thought they were like little kids.
oh no, I have a big family.
Awesome. Yeah, your low back is off. You can see it right here. Did they want to do anything special while they were in town?
Well, they usually just come here maybe like once every couple years. So they just want to like go out to eat or like do something that's fun that they don't do usually in like Puerto Rico.
Awesome.
So, yeah.
Have you been there?
Oh yeah, I go almost every year.
Awesome.
Or at least try to go every year. It's pretty expensive to go now.
Is it?
Yeah.
I haven't been, so I would love to go.
It's so nice. It's so nice.
Good. I'm working on this muscle. It's angry, a little bit angry here. Yeah. Then here we're going to do the other technique to anterior dorsal. All right, turn and face me on your side. Beautiful. Perfect. All right, flip all the way over. Beautiful. That was fantastic.
Oh, that felt great.
All right, rest, hang out. I remember when you first came in, I was nervous, man.
I know.
Your mom, she gave me the eye. I was like, oh my God, I will help your daughter. I promise, I'll do everything I can.
Oh yeah, it was very bad. As I said, it was very unbearable.
It definitely was. Yeah. Perfect. Beautiful.
my God, that felt great.
Now you have your hands stretching you out. Now Xiomara's sister comes in. Oh, I'm so blessed.
I can't wait till she comes in. She's gonna enjoy it.
Yeah, she's been coming in. She's doing great.
That's good to hear.
Yeah. She was here last Friday.
Oh yeah.
A week ago. Yeah.
And she's improving, right? She's
Mhm.
doing good. That's great.
And school is done for her now.
Oh yeah,
So
thank God.
no more studying and in the desk and all that kind of stuff. So her posture will improve. I gave her a couple exercises to do. Hopefully, she'll do them. They're not too hard.
Yeah. She's definitely been improving. I see it.
Good. Thank God. That's great. All right, a little bit. Perfect. That was perfect. Did you get your nails done?
No, I have to go get my nails done. It's been like a month already since I went to New York. Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, I can't wait to go again.
Really?
Yeah. I'm planning to try and go into the summer.
Oh, all right.
We'll see what we can do. There's so many things to do in New York.
That's great. I haven't been there in a while. I think pre-COVID.
No, really?
Yeah.
That's a long time.
I know, it's crazy. I've been to Long Island, but not like Manhattan.
Oh yeah, no, I've been to Manhattan, Queens.
Awesome.
Just around there, yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. All right, come on up. Have a seat here. Face this way. Beautiful. I'm really proud of your posture. You have done a great job.
Thank you. I always try to remind myself to like sit straight. Sometimes, I can catch myself a little hunched, but once I have that reminder, like my back is improving, I need to stay straight.
Awesome.
It's been improving.
Very proud of you.
Thank you.
Same. All right, standing, facing away.
Okay.
Good. All right, coming under your arms. Good. Behind your head. Put your hands. Yep. Oh my. Great. Perfect. All right, have a seat.
Okay.
That was awesome.
Every time I hear the crack, oh my God, it feels amazing.
You are the best. Oh man, this is perfect. Nice and soft, pliable muscle tissue. Beautiful. Thank you, Xiomara. Thank you for coming in, being our model tonight. Thank you for helping others, hopefully lead them to this practice or other practices too. She's young, she's in great shape, but engaging in your health. I can't, it's on the wall over there, you have to engage in your health. What?
And exercising. I've been working out ever since I started improving. It helps a long way.
Absolutely. The constructive behaviors. So, trying to get your rest at night, keeping your good posture, working out, getting adjusted, drinking your water. These are the things that are going to guard against the destructive forces in the world, that are going to create the wear and tear and arthritic change. So, thank you. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, all right? Yeah, cool. See ya.